Hi, I'm Matt Thompson from Sing the Easy Way, and Happy New Year to you, firstly. Happy 2020. It's not only a new year, it's a new decade, so hopefully lots of exciting things to come. But from Sing the Easy Way, we do have lots of exciting things to come, and I want to talk to you today about the Beginners Vocal Workshop Stage 1. Since it's a new year and since many of you will be thinking about starting singing lessons, I thought this would be my perfect opportunity. So the Beginners Vocal Workshop Stage 1 is designed for absolute beginners. So it's for those who've never ever sung before, it's for those who don't have confidence when it comes to singing in front of others, it's for those wishing to understand and develop basic vocal techniques. So it's a real good introduction into the world of singing and vocal technique. So I think the main issue people have when it comes to taking singing lessons is they feel absolutely petrified of the thought of sitting in a singing class and having to sing in a group environment in front of a teacher, and not knowing whether they're good enough. And this is what the Stage 1 Vocal Workshop is all about. The Stage 1 workshop is really to get you starting from absolute scratch. So, you know, if you've never sung a single note, and if you can't hold a note in tune or whatever it is, then come along to the Stage 1 Vocal Workshop, because hopefully you'll find the whole experience, A, nowhere near as scary as you thought it was going to be, B, fun and friendly, and I think the friendly aspect is another one as well. We kind of pride ourselves on making sure that students are relaxed and having fun, as well as learning at the same time. So it really is all about, you know, building you up from that beginner's level. So if you've never ever sung before, if you've never had a singing lesson, this is what it's all about. This is what this workshop's for.